Ms. Chinwe. Gentlemen of the press, good afternoon. As rightly submitted by Mrs. Chinwe, the purpose of our gathering here today is to give a pre-convention press briefing to enable you have an idea of what we are expecting from today, tomorrow, till the date of the convention. The schedule of activities starts from tomorrow, Thursday, 19th March 2026, where we expect to publish the names of all the convention committees. We have the National Convention Planning and Organizing Committee with the following subcommittees: venue, security, entertainment, welfare, accreditation, media and publicity, protocol, accommodation and transport, electoral committee, zoning, screening, medical, the National Convention Monitoring Subcommittee, which is pursuant to Article 1.3 CI of the Electoral Guidelines. And then we have the Secretariat Subcommittee. We expect to publish the names and membership of this committee and subcommittees tomorrow. Saturday, 21st March 2026, there will be inauguration of all these committees. It will be by 8 p.m. and the venue will also be announced tomorrow. Sunday, 22nd March 2026, the zoning committee will meet to zone various positions across all the geopolitical zones. This will hold Sunday, like I said, 22nd March. And then Monday, 23rd, there will be an emergency NEC meeting, which shall hold by 12 noon at the FCT Ministers Lodge, Life Camp, Abuja. Sales of form will commence on Monday, immediately after the NEC meeting, and it is expected to last till Wednesday, March 25th, 2026. And the sales of form will close by 3 p.m. on that Wednesday. Thursday, 26th March 2026, will be the hearing of all appeals arising from the conduct of the screening and other activities. And then the appeals will close by 7 p.m. Saturday, 28th March 2026, we shall hold a pre-convention cocktail, which will be by 5 p.m. at the Ministers Lodge Life Camp. That one will strictly be by invitation. So, gentlemen, so far, this is what we are expecting to have as a lineup of activities in the build-up to the National Convention. Of course, you know that the National Convention is slated for 29th and 30th of March this year. And the convention is scheduled to hold at the National Stadium, the Velodrome Hall. That screening is scheduled for Thursday from 10 to 2 p.m. 10 to 2 p.m. Thursday. And then the appeals arising from the screening will be by 7 p.m. No, yeah, Thursday, yes, next week, Thursday.
The details so far marshaled out for closest consummation. So does it presuppose that conclusion is no longer taking place?
No, reconciliation is an ongoing thing, and it cannot in any way prevent the caretaker committee from carrying out with the convention. And if you recall that we had initially informed the representative of the Kabiru group who attended our last NEC meeting that whatever is going to be their written proposals, two things remain sacrosanct. That is the existence of this caretaker committee and then the conduct of this national convention. So irrespective of whatever reconciliation that is likely to happen, it will not affect the conduct and processes leading to this convention. We are open, we are still open for reconciliation.
Then my second question, and that's all.
Yes.
What have you written to INEC, the Independent National Electoral Commission, and what is their response?
The Independent Electoral Commission had been notified long ago, and in line with the notice, they had already supervised, monitored our ward, local government, and state congresses, and the National Convention will not be an exception.
Telling you that they recognize your convention?
I think it is out of place. It is out of place. It is out of place. Yes. So long as INEC have received the notice and they have attended and recognized our congresses, that does not require further Friday.
I think you said something about it, so just bring us up to speed.
Yeah.
The situation around the state congresses. You concluded all state congresses before, or they are still, you don't bring us up to speed.
Very well, we have concluded all state congresses in line with the judgment of Justice Omotosho that before we can proceed with any convention, we have to conclude all congresses, and we have just finished that with Plateau yesterday. And then the zonal congresses for Southeast, Northwest, and will be on Saturday. Yes.
Okay, one follow-up question. My name is Iroele Jim. I work for the Guardian.
Yeah.
We understand that the reconciliation is supposed to lead to a comprehensive caretaker committee. Have you ruled out that?
I don't know where you got that information. I don't know where you got that information. There is nowhere that any agreement or any discussions was reached or agreed upon that there will be a harmonization of a certain group of people that will take over as a caretaker committee. No. It is not, and it has never been, and it will not be.
Right from the launch.
Yes.
Tomorrow, the list of the convention committee will be publicized.
Yes.
So it is also in order, if we may know maybe 2-3 names of chairman and vice chairman of the national.
Don't run faster than your shoes. You will get them. You will get them, Abdurrahman.